Welcome! In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how you can activate auto rotation screen at this device. At the first we have to wake up the screen with this button, so click on it. Right now we have to open the quick menu from the upper section of the screen, so swipe, and right now we have to just go on the right side and click on this icon. And right now our screen is going to turn on automatically, as you can see, at the all of the position. So that's how it looks. If you want to turn it off, you have to swipe from the upper section one more time and just click on it. And right now the auto rotate is turned off. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.